Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is May the 2nd and I am using my brand new PIP trigger trading system. This system uses the Hull moving average, that's this red line, along with this awesome oscillator here, multi-time frame awesome oscillator. And of course I have my favorite 4 indicators down at the bottom here. These 4 indicators gives the buy and sell signals on the where you see these arrows. It's all part of the super signal indicator. This indicator is a must-have as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5 or even on the 15-minute time frame. Now this super signal indicator is an add-on which I added about 4 months after I put together the PIP trigger trading system. It does not automatically come with the PIP trigger. It comes in a package called Easy Trader. The 4 different packages that I'm advertising and recommending you can see right below this video in the description. Now every morning 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, 6 a.m. New York time, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments here and of course taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan. It's running in real time and it can easily change from bullish to bearish within the hour. So it is preset if you are a day trader. Now if you're a swing trader, you can easily change the settings. And of course if you're like the banks and you're a position trader and you don't mind putting in few hundred pips or tick stop, could even be at 400 or 500 like the banks do, well, you can preset it to the different inputs for position trading. I am a day trader. I get in and out within short period of time and be done trading for the day. So this is definitely something that you must have, a daily trade plan. If you do not have some kind of a daily trade plan, well, good reason why you are failing. If you have any questions about the daily trade plan, just get in contact with me. So now we can get into some of these trades. Starting at the top here, it's the euro dollar. Now the euro dollar and the pound dollar, because the USD is on the right hand side, it pays $10 for each pip. So let's see where I got in at. All you got to do is go down to the pair you want to look at, just left click and then drag it up and drop it. That'll bring these little cursors in. And when you're selling, it'll be red. And of course when you're buying, this will be blue, this cursor. So I got in at this point and I closed it out just being happy. Now keep in mind my goal every day I'm trading, I want to get 200 pips or ticks. And once I see that I have 200 or more, I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. And I know that this is going to be well over 200, mainly because I have the DAX 30 in here. So here we go. What did I say? It should be 11. There it is right there, 11 pips. And that ended up paying out $110. And remember, when you get the arrow, this arrow never repaints. Once it's there permanently. You'll get an audio sound on your computer. You'll get a pop-up box like this here, suggesting either to buy or sell. And then you have to get the timing to get in the trade. Sometimes you'll take the trade right where this arrow is. You make pips immediately. And other times it's better you wait for a bit of a pullback to get in the trade. But a very high percentage of a win rate, this super signal indicator. Love it. It is the best indicator I have came across. And I did run checks on over 10,000 indicators. A lot of them are no good. But this one here by far is the best one I came across. This indicator is a must-have indicator. It will make any system that you may have and you may like, if you add this indicator to it, it'll make it a much better, more accurate trading system. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound dollar. This one, as I mentioned before, pays $10 for each pips. And of course, looking at the money, this should be 17. So here we go. From this entry point, if I was in still the trade right now, I'd be up around 30. But I closed it out here just being happy, and there it is right there, 17 pips. And that ended up paying out $170. And taking a quick look at the meter, the pound is a bus driver. What I mean by that is, if it's 20% or less, it's a driving force. And so all the pound pairs, except for this pound CAD, this will be fighting each other. When it's like that, it'll be just going a little bit flat. So, but all the other pound pairs, if the pound is on the left side, it will be going down. You must also have some kind of a meter if you are a Forex trader. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Wanted to be buying it. I manually put in this white arrow. It's coming directly from my daily trade plan. Plus, it's a no-brainer just by looking at the charts. It is going up. It's not going down. Okay, let's see where I got in at. Bought it. The cursor is blue. Blue is obviously means buying. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy. Looks like with about 29 pips. 29 pips ended up paying out $213. Okay, moving on to the next instrument, which is the DAX 30. I dropped it down to the 5 minutes to get a little bit more accurate reading. I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Drag and drop this up. So there was a sell signal here and here. Remember, when the market's moving down, there's certain rules that you must follow, and I teach that. So you would ignore this buy, and you would take the sells, which is what I did. And on this DAX 30, it pays $3.75 for each tick, so I took the money, used a calculator, and the calculator says it should be 60 ticks. So let's see. Well, it goes from 59 to 63. But anyhow, calculator says it's 60 ticks, and that ended up paying out $225. Moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Let's see where I got in at. We've had sell signals here and here and here. Market's going down. You can clearly see that. Now it does pay $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 5. The calculator says it is 50. So on this S&P 500, does pay $5 for each tick, so took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it is 50. If I was still in the trade, I'd be up 100, almost 130. But I was happy with this 50. You remove the last digit, and those 50 ticks paid out $250. Moving right along to the next trade, the Dow Jones. Now on the Dow Jones, same thing. Wanted to be selling it from the daily trade plan. It does pay $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 74. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out, being happy with as soon as it locks in. There it is right there, 74 ticks. That ended up paying out $370. Moving on to the next trade is the Russell. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, it should be 97 ticks. Drag this up, drop it, see where I got in at. Sell signal, got in, no brainer. Love my super signal indicator. Let's see, 97. There it is right there. You remove the last digit. So 97 times the money ended up paying out $970. So another great day of trading. I knew it was going to be over 200. And the grand total came to 338 pips and ticks. And that ended up paying out $2,308. So if your system's not producing like my PIP trigger, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, just Skype me. Now, to get all my contact information, all you got to do is right below the video. All you got to do is scroll down and click on this button right here that says Show More. And then going down, you can read some information here. 4 things you need to succeed at trading. And believe me, you're going to need all 4 of these. Now, I made it easy for you. Even if you think you don't have Skype, you have Skype. All you got to do is click on this link. We'll be connected, and through Skype screen sharing, I will be able to answer your questions. Now there's 4 different packages. Recommend you get your hands on all 4. Each package is $250. Have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free, like one of the other 2 packages. And of course, I actually have another special offer for you traders who are serious about trading. And I recommend, obviously, you get your hands on that package. If you want to know what that package is, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Now, as I mentioned before, the PIP trigger system does not include the super signal indicator. If you want that one, you got to get the Easy Trader system. This one has it. Number 2 and number 4 has 4 training videos, and number 1 has 22 training videos, and up to about 30 minutes long each, same as How I Trade Live. If you want to get advanced trading tips, this is an excellent package, and it has 20 training videos up to 30 minutes long, approximately. And of course, as you scroll down, I go into more details as to what I teach in the different packages. And of course, down at the bottom here, right here, you can pick up the phone and call me. Here's my email address. And of course, here's the Skype. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.